Hey folks, it's Nick Wheeler with the Wheeler Group with Favor Estates. We're here to give you a few more tips on what you should know when choosing your realtor. The first reason, if your lender is your realtor, works in your advantage, is you'll have the advantage of knowing exactly what you're getting into regarding mortgage payment, funds to close, based on each property you're going to see with your buyer's agent. So that'll allow you to make the best decision for you and your family. Point number 2, as your lender and realtor, we'll be able to negotiate on price because of flexibility with loan programs and negotiate on turn times. Your lender should already have you approved, so that will make your offer even stronger. Number 3, and in my opinion, one of the most important reasons why you should work with a buyer's agent who is also your lender is that they'll be able to instill confidence in the listing agent that you are indeed a strong, qualified buyer. They should be able to communicate your qualifications like debt to income ratio, your down payment funds, and your credit score. And actually, in one of our most recent transactions, the listing agent let us know that we beat out a higher priced offer due to the fact that he felt confident that we would get this transaction to closing in a smooth and timely manner. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is Nick Wheeler with the Wheeler Group with Favor Estates. Hope you got something good out of this. See you next time.